RIN TV coverage of the 2015 NRRA Conference is brought to you by the National Risk Retention Association. So how is the RRG industry doing? We asked Rod Nofziger, COO of the Owner-Operator Independent Drivers Association, for his thoughts on the state of the market and where it's going. He's also the chairman-elect of the National Risk Retention Association. Here are the highlights.
The most significant changes that we've seen over the last 3 years is really the challenges that the current and growing challenges that RRGs and other insurance entities are experiencing associated with soft market factors. Certainly excess capital and other market forces are causing risk retention groups to really rethink their overall business models as well as their relationships with their members. And that certainly sounds negative, but there is some positive that comes out of that as well. There is quite a bit of innovation that is being bred by that adversity. Recently there has been some major changes that are happening associated with some of the challenges that RRGs are experiencing. We've seen some different folks within the industry that are stepping out that are confronting that adversity and finding innovative new ways to go about and approach some of the things that RRGs have traditionally done. One person that comes to mind is a fellow by the name of Sandy Elsass. Sandy has been a member of the risk retention community, has served various different roles within that community for several years. Sandy is currently heading up structured healthcare management innovation, and it's a really interesting approach to some of the healthcare challenges that risk retention groups are seeing out there associated with the ACA. And Sandy, folks like Sandy continue to innovate, continue to find new ways, new approaches, and continue to be real cheerleaders for the risk retention community. The biggest challenge that's going to continue to confront risk retention groups is that factor that's associated with the excess capital in the marketplace and the soft market. Again, the great thing about risk retention groups is by their very nature, they're innovative, they're alternative, and so those folks are going to find a way to move forward and to take on those challenges head on and have no doubt be successful. The NRRA Conference is so important because it serves as the single annual event where the risk retention community comes together to discuss important issues, to learn from each other, to build relationships within their own community.
For more coverage of the 2015 NRRA Conference, visit the RIN TV On Demand Library.